Dear children, now we are going to see properties of integers on multiplication, which are closure property, commutative property, and associative property. Closure property of integers on multiplication. Positive integer into positive integer gives positive, that is, plus into plus is equal to plus. Negative integer into negative integer gives positive, that is, minus into minus is equal to plus. Positive integers into negative integer is equal to negative, that is, plus into minus is equal to minus. Negative integer into positive integer gives negative, that is, minus into plus is equal to minus. Now we prove this using multipurpose board in which plus is taken as positive, minus is taken as negative. And we take an example, plus 4 into plus 3. It can be written as 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means 3 times of 4 or 4 times of 3. Now we take positive symbol in a row, 4 in a row. Like that we take 3 rows. And totally if we count, we have 12 positive symbols in this arrangement. That is 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Similarly, next side we arrange positive symbols in a row 3. Likewise, we arrange it in 4 rows. So 3 into 4 gives us 12. So in that arrangement we see 12 positive symbols are there. Therefore 4 and 3 are positive integers and the result is 12, also a positive integer. Thus we conclude product of any two positive integers is always a positive integer. Now we take minus 5 into minus 3. It means minus 5 as its opposite of 3 times or minus 3 as its opposite of 5 times. The opposite of minus 5 is plus 5 or 5. So these are 5 negative and the opposite of minus 5 is positive 5 or 5. They are plus symbols in a row 5 are arranged. Minus 5 as its opposite of 3 times means 3 times of plus 5, that is 5 into 3. So now as we see, 5 positive symbols are arranged 5 in a row for 3 rows, so we get 15. It is same as minus 5 into minus 3 is equal to 15. Thus we conclude product of any two negative integers is always positive integer. Now we take minus 6 into 5. Minus 6 into 5 means 5 times of minus 6. So in a row we arrange 6 symbols. In a row we arrange 6 minus symbols. Likewise we arrange it for 5 rows. So if you count all the minus symbols, there are 30 minus symbols are there. Therefore minus 6 into 5 is equal to minus 30. Thus we conclude product of negative integer and a positive integer is always a negative integer. Now we take 7 into minus 5. 7 into minus 5 means 7 as its opposite of 5 times. These are 7 positives. And the opposite of 7 is minus 7. They are 7 minus symbols. So now we go to the multipurpose board. There in a row we have 7 minus symbols. Likewise we arrange it in 5 rows. Therefore 5 into 7 gives 35. All the 35 are minus sign. That is minus 7 into 5 is equal to minus 35. Thus we conclude if we test this property for integers, we find the results are integers. 4 into 3 equal to 12, minus 5 into minus 3 equal to 15, minus 6 into 5 is equal to minus 30, minus 7 into 5 is equal to minus 35. Thus product of any two integers is always an integer. Closure property holds good for integers. Therefore for any two integers a comma b, a into b is also an integer. I request you to go through these questions, answer to them, by which you enrich yourself. Thank you.